Senior Design Day is a great day that seniors can come together and present their projects to family, faculty, and professional associates.
What's cool about Senior Design Day is kind of seeing the finished product of like all of the different groups.
When it comes to using the senior design to impact my career, I would say the biggest thing that I took from it was the project management aspect. So in this project, we dealt with time, scope, and budget, and having those strict constraints. There was also many deliverables that had to be produced on a time constraint manner. So as a student, you had to learn how to balance those properly while also fulfilling other coursework. So that allowed you to be very organized and work towards those goals properly.
It's very important for our students to understand what's their surrounding, to improve their soft skills, because this is one of the most important tools for them to be successful in industry, is to how to communicate, how to manage projects, and how to deal with each other.